Hi, I'm Dr. Mayank Doshi, practicing in Mumbai. I'm into private practice since the last 13 years. I'm a general dentist, practicing with special interest in cosmetics, implants, and digital dentistry. It's my love for digital dentistry is what that pulled me towards RSD in the first place. And we were here for a 4-day veneer course, and which was unlike any other that I've attended up till now in my life, where there was a perfect collaboration between the planning team and a clinician team, helping to bridge the gap between the space I feel that the clinician has in their mind, or the part that a clinician does not understand from a lab's point of view, that why when you desire some result and you have showed it to the patient, why it does not become a reality in the final. So it was a fabulous experience. We had an amazing time with everyone, and I would very strongly recommend to a lot of people to attend this one-of-a-kind course, which has almost never happened in our country before. So I loved it.